6A is our first KSP, or solubility equilibrium problem. We have copper bromide. We are given the solubility. That means what molarity of our ions or of our solid has dissolved at a certain temperature. And the KSP is just the K value, knowing that it is a slightly soluble solid. So on all of these, you'll see I did make the rice table. For a lot of solubility problems, it's easy to jump to the equation, to the KSP, and to the math without the rice table, but it's still good to be in the practice of thinking about what this means. When I blued this column out, the reason for that is that when we're thinking about equilibriums and rice tables, we're thinking in terms of molarities. The solid copper bromide does not have a molarity, but we are using or consuming 1 mole of whatever our solid is whenever we are making our ions. So then make sure that we have the right subscripts and formulas. We are thinking about, we're starting with none. We put it in as a solid. We have made some ions and it told us what our ions, or how much that was, how much did dissolve. In terms of an equilibrium equation, it's here. In terms of a KSP, it is here. Once again, solids, but also liquids are not included in K expressions. That's why it's a solubility product. We're just multiplying the two things. We put the two values in, we get our answer. It's a small number. When it is that small number, something less than 1, that's when we could say it's insoluble, or more correctly, that it's slightly soluble. We have very few moles of it dissolving per liter of solution.